So, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Advert Wings. And today we are back again with the 10 most important current affair of 11th of July 2020. So, let's start the first question. The first question is: which of the following gas is leaked from the LG polymer industry in Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh? So, in the recent time, we had seen a leakage of a poisonous gas from the LG polymer industrial unit in the Vishakhapatnam of Andhra Pradesh, where around 20% lost their life and many got seriously hit. What was the name of that poisonous gas that was leaked from that LG polymer industrial unit on that day in Vishakhapatnam? Your options: A is styrene gas, option B is methyl isocyanate, option C is sulfur nitride, or option D is ethyl isocyanate. The next question is about a book and a book titled Vijayat at Kargil, the life of Kargil war hero. So this is a book which is has been recently published, and the author of this book is Vijayant father V.N. Thapar and Neha Divedi. You have to tell me, this book is a biography of which Indian soldier who had fought the war in Kargil. Your option A is Premnath Dogra, option B is Vijayant Thapar, option C is Saurabh Lodha, or option D is DPS Negi. Option C is about the recent currency swap, currency exchange, and a current and a country in West Asia has decided to replace its currency from a real to Toman due to the higher inflation rate and the loss of value of a real in that country. So that country is going to launch the Tomar currency in the replacement of the real currency, and one Tomar will be equal to 10,000 real. So, which country is going to replace the real with Tomar currency? You have to tell me the name of that country. Your option A is Saudi Arabia, B Iran, C Iraq, or D UAE. Second question number third is about the archaeological survey, and recently a new director general of archaeological survey of India has been appointed, and you have to tell me the name of that person who has been appointed as new director general of archaeological survey of India. And remember, the archaeological survey of India was founded by Alexander Cunningham in India. um, your your option for question are V Vidyavati, V Vidyanathan, C Deepa Malik, or D Manmeet Singh. And recently, the next question is about CBSE and who has become the new chairman of CBSE, that is Central Board of School Education. Option A is Anita Karwal, option B is Manoj Ahuja, option C is Dr. Krishna Alla, or option D is Shafiq Ansari. The next question is about the National Development Bank, and recently the new president of National Development Bank has been elected, and who has been elected as the new president of this national new development bank? Your option A is Rajiv Joshi, option B is KV Kamath, option C is Macros Troyojo, or option D is Anil Kishori. Next question is recently the National Human Rights Commission in India has constituted a committee headed by WOM to study the effect of COVID-19 on a human right. So, National Human Right Commission is the apex body dealing with the human rights, freedom in the country, and recently they had constituted a committee in order to examine the effect of COVID-19 on the human rights violation in the country, and you have to tell me who is gonna head this committee. Dr. A is Dr. Harshvardhan Singh, option B is K.S. Reddy, C is Kiran Bedi, or D is none of the above. The next question is, which state's golden bird-wing butterfly has won the title of India's largest butterfly? Option A is Mizoram, B Meghalaya, C Uttarakhand, or D none of the above. So do remember that golden bird-wing butterfly is now the India's largest butterfly, replacing the silver bird-wing butterfly. Next question is, which country has been declared free from smallpox recently? So yesterday we had talked about two countries who has become free from rubiella and measles, and now the today's question is about smallpox eradication. So some countries has become successful in eradicating the smallpox too from its country in the recent time, and your option A is Maldives, B Sri Lanka, C both of above, or D none of above. The next question is, which country has officially announced its separation from the World Health Organization in the recent time amid the COVID-19 outbreak in the globe? Option A is Italy, option B Australia, option C USA, or option D none of the above. So that's all about from today's section. It was the 10th question of the day, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot from this session. And tomorrow we will again be there from the 10 next question, 10 next important current affair question. And till then, enjoy, have a safe life. Thanks for watching my video. Take care and goodbye.